Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's do the unboxing and have a first look at this Poco M3 Pro 5G smartphone. And this is a new smartphone by Poco, and they claim that this is a 5G smartphone. And guys, I don't know the exact pricing because I'm opening up this box one day before the launch. This is a review unit that I got, but from what I'm hearing, the rumors, this will be priced below 15,000. And if that's the case, this has to be one of the most affordable 5G smartphones in India. And guys, it says 5G, and here it does not specify any specs of 5G, specifies other things. For example, this comes with the new MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC. That's why that 5G that we have. And it is having a, 6.5-inch screen. It's a full HD plus with a 6.5-inch screen. 5000 milliamp hour battery, 48 megapixel triple camera setup. Like that, it has UFS 2.2 storage. And this is the 6GB RAM variant with 128GB of storage. There'll also be one more variant that will come with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. And here they did not specify anything about the 5G bands, but I did check with the brand, and this smartphone actually supports 5 5G bands. So that's actually nice, because these days we are seeing a lot of brands giving only 1 or 2 bands of 5G and calling it a 5G smartphone. So that way I like it. It has 5 5G bands, and these are the 5G bands that are supported on this one. So let's open this up, and looks like case will be there, your SIM ejector tool, and yes, some paperwork, it says Poco and stuff, and looks like a TPU case that we are getting, and it's a transparent kind, guys, and slightly on the thicker side. The case, it has slight thickness, so that's nice. And here is the handset itself. Oh, looks nice. Actually looks pretty sleek in terms of looks. I was not expecting that. So let's just take this out. So this is glossy back that we are having, and it says 5G over here. Poco branding, a triple camera. And front, it's supposed to have a 6.5-inch screen. It's an IPS LCD screen that you have. And I believe the front is Gorilla Glass 3, guys. Back is polycarbonate, that's plastic back. But again, looks nice, I would say. And it's going to look like this if you use it with the case. So let me give you a physical overview. But before that, let's see what else do we get. So Type A to Type C cable that we are getting, a charging cable, and a fast charger also, I believe. This is a 22.5 watt Mi branded charger, guys, but the phone supports 18 watts of fast charging. So that's what we get. I'll just keep this to the side for now, and let's look at the handset. Let me give you a physical overview. Again, the body is plastic, guys. Top, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. We have a IR blaster, so that's actually nice. So we are getting an IR blaster even on this one. Here we have the volume rocker and power come fingerprint scanner. I actually like that. Bottom will be your main speaker, your Type C port, main microphone, and here we have our SIM slot. So let's just open that up and have a look. So it's a hybrid solution that you are getting, guys. Should have been a triple slot, but this is what we are getting. And back, if we look at it, the main camera is actually a 48 megapixel main camera. Then we have those things that we love, those 2 megapixel macro and depth. So that's the triple camera setup. I feel instead of that 2 megapixel, if they would have given an ultra wide, that would have been better. But this is what we are getting, and that Poco branding. And this is a fingerprint scanner. This is the fingerprint magnet. Sorry, guys. So use it with the case, I would say. So let me do one thing. Let me now just power this on, and I'll set this up, and then we will continue. So guys, I have set up this smartphone, so let's have a closer look at the same now. And this comes with again MIUI, but again it's the Poco launcher that you are getting, guys. So no ads or anything, but I noticed there is a little bit of bloatware. I didn't install anything, guys, so this is what comes out of the box. There is that Prime Video and Netflix and stuff like that, and I believe you can, for example, let's try to remove this Amazon. Go to app info. You can uninstall the apps that we have installed, but not a lot of junk or what do you say, shady apps that are pre-installed. So this is what you are getting, and this is having the new Dimensity 700 SoC, and I had used some smartphones with the Dimensity 800 and it was a very good processor, and this is also based on 7nm process, so I'm expecting actually really good battery life on this smartphone. And I have to say, this Poco smartphone does not feel that heavy. This weighs 190 grams. In fact, I would say it's a lot lighter compared to many of the other Poco smartphones that used to weigh around 212, 215 grams. So feels actually comfortable to hold, and you have this fingerprint scanner over here, and if you press, it locks and unlocks, as you can see. So in that same motion you can actually customize this within the MIUI. And here are the quick toggles that you're getting. Actually quite a few quick toggles, as you can see over here. And one thing to note is that I did change this one. If you go to display and if you go to refresh rate, by default it was set to 60 Hertz, but now I have kept it to 90 Hertz. And as you can see, the fluid movements are actually pretty fluid on this smartphone. And if we look at the about the device, if we go over here, where did it go? Over here it is. Comes with MIUI version 12. That's Android 11 out of the box that you are getting on this one. And this is the 128GB variant. And as you can see, out of that, 17 gigabytes is sort of already used. I didn't install anything yet. So this is what we have, and I'm using the gesture navigation, and as you can see, it's handling it fine. And let's also look at the speaker on this one. It's having a single speaker over here. Let's open YouTube and let's just run this royalty-free track. And I have to say, though it's a single speaker, guys, it's actually pretty loud. So that's regarding the speakers on this one. Let's just go out of this one. And navigation, it feels nice. And I checked with what do you say, even the Poco team, and they told me that yeah, this smartphone will not get ads and stuff like that. So that's what it is. We do have Gets app, so you might get some notification, but you can disable that, but no full page ads or anything like that on this one. And let's also look at the camera on this one. Again, 48 megapixel is the main camera, and we have a punch hole camera that's actually 8 megapixel. So it says okay, fine. And we have the tap to focus, and again it's taking it fast. And we have the portrait mode, and if we go to the mode, actually we even have the night mode, a full 48 megapixel mode. We also have a short video mode, and even have a slow motion mode. So in terms of camera features, they haven't cut down, so it's a full featured one that you are getting. And this is the front facing, and we also have the portrait mode. In real time, you can actually do that. So let me do one thing. Let me actually take some sample shots with this one so that you have a brief idea regarding the camera. First, some outdoor samples, and one thing that I noticed immediately is that pictures are very natural. It does not tend to overboost or something. Just notice the sky, how natural it looks. These are some of the human subject. Regular mode, this was in the portrait mode. Again, this was a regular mode, and this was in the portrait bokeh mode. Now moving to artificial lighting in my office, here also I would say, considering the price point, it does a decent job, as you can see with the samples. Now moving to human subjects, again this was in the regular mode, this was in the portrait mode, this was also in the portrait mode. And now moving to the front facing camera, outdoors, as you can see, the front facing camera is doing a good job. These were with the portrait mode, and now in indoor artificial lighting, and this was with the portrait bokeh mode. So guys, this is the Poco M3 5G smartphone. So what do you guys think about the same? Do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, if you're still not subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.